We just left the elevators, and the best part, our keys are in the door. So
see if this works. I'm not gonna take them out. I'm just gonna try and open it with the both in here.
Okay. Science.
What?
Yeah, so we all
Knock, knock, let me in. All right, so giving you a room tour for 17272. Just kind of turning you back. There is the key card for the light, which they actually leave the key card in.
It's like playing like white card.
Which I guess that kind of defeats the whole purpose of that, but whatever. I'm fine with it. I like it because I just leave one of my cards in. But the bathrooms, as we remember from last time, are very spacious. Lots of space up above and down below to store. It is a little tight and you kind of have to reach back for toilet paper, but overall for a cruise ship bathroom, it's really not bad. And so because it is the spa rooms, I have to show the floor because that's actually really pretty. They do have Elemis branded bath and shower gel as well as shampoo, and then this shower head that moves up and down that's really convenient with the shaving bar at the bottom. Not really like the biggest room. Oh, there is even a bar soap, the Elemis bar soap right there. And then a makeup mirror. Again, not the biggest bathroom, but it's not a suite or anything. It's just a normal balcony. And I guess I will walk out and show you right over here. So here's double dueling closets. Within this closet though, you do get the two Cloud9 spa robes, plenty of hangers. Well, we'll see if it's plenty with me here. And then, very importantly, a full-length mirror. That way you can actually see your whole outfit put together. Sorry, getting foggy. We have your fit. No, we're not doing that. And then you're welcome aboard. So you can watch all your TV, lots of Guy Fieri, and then you can also access your folio here and see kind of where you are on the ship. Back behind the bed, it's beautifully uplit with this nice ring light up top. And then I guess for 17272, you can see the configuration is the bed, then the couch. Which I kind of like because this almost is like a separate seating area that you can enjoy. Really, really foggy mirror. This bed as well is the pull-out bed. If you just pull that strap right there, you pull it right on out. Because it is a spa room, you do get the Serenity branded towels. And then there is the double curtain. So there's the one sheer one for privacy and then the other one that completely blocks out light. This down here is going to be like a little step stool / table. So if you pull it out, it actually does have a little table underneath it, which is really nice. More drawer space, the ice, wine glasses, and then the refrigerator right here. That's pretty much it. To give you a view of the balcony, this is actually more private than I thought, because up above us it actually overhangs, so it's probably not going to get too sunny or too hot where we are. And there's a complete solid wall behind us, and then our neighbors on the other side, you can see there is space right there. Well, do they? Oh, that is nice. That's really nice. And over here there's really pretty ample space. Here, do you want to sit down and show them kind of what it's like if you have your legs extended? Give a good idea. Yeah, so I mean, you can stretch out, have a nice Bloody Mary in the morning, get some room service, be totally awkward like this guy. And I guess show you guys out here. Yeah, a lot of space though. Yeah, this is very private though. Very nice. So that is room 17272 for you future cruisers. All right, so I figured I would touch on just a couple more details of the room. Jeff was pointing out I didn't really touch actually some really important parts that are important to me. Something that's not really a detail of the room, but something that is nice is they do have this QR directory that has safety info, stateroom benefits, stateroom cleaning, VIFP benefits, food allergy spa menu, stay connected, kind of just your whole directory right there in one piece of paper that you can scan, your normal COVID warnings as of right now, and then just like little odds and ends, and then also we can see who our room steward is, and then access to the menu if you want to order food on I guess through the app probably. And then room does not come with beer, but if you want to see over here, do you want to kind of show really quick? So this is the one thing that we notice about this ship is it's like very small when it comes to like the nightstand, but really for us, we really don't need much but to be able to plug in your phone. So there is a USB plug there, and then the light for reading, and then this small thing to kind of put maybe a book or whatever, a glass of water. Light switches behind, and then a matching one on the other side of the bed. We obviously did do the like the connected beds, but you can do 2 twin beds as well. And then for plugs over here, I think this is the most I've ever seen on a ship just naturally. We actually didn't even bring any extenders or anything. So 2 USB, 2 USB, and then 3 normal plugs. I think somebody said there was a European plug somewhere, but I don't see it. So yeah, honestly, this is a really, really great room. It's got really everything you need for the room, because you're spending most of your time out anyways. Not the biggest in the world, but it is beautiful. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, right? No?
Oh, then I can think of it.
So, okay, so now that's a wrap for 17272. Okay, so that's pretty much the view of, or the tour of what the room looks like. Just kind of touching on a couple of the benefits of staying in this room. You do have the upgraded LMS products. We have our own elevator.
We do have our own elevator that takes you right to the spa.
Yeah.
Or Serenity.
Yep. So
No,
all the way down
not Serenity. Cloud 9.
Cloud 9. Yep. So yeah, not Serenity. We're close to Serenity, but you can go pretty much right down the hallway, and there's an elevator that will take us to 5 and 6.
Mm-hmm.
I think 5 and 6.
Yep.
So you can pretty much wear your robes, which also come in the room, which I need to see because I heard slippers too, but we don't have slippers. And God forbid if we don't have slippers. So sorry, this is backwards. It's recording weird. But anyways, besides that, I think there are discounts. So we will let you guys know once we get to the spa. I believe you get a higher tier of discounts for your first, second, and third treatment, and then a sugar scrub. Salt scrub, sugar scrub, which I heard about, which I'm not really sure. So that's going to be something else that we'll have to go whenever we go to the spa for the first time. We'll find that out. But overall, we're really happy with it. It's really nice to be very high up on the 17th floor. So I know there are spa rooms on the lower levels, like right near the spa, and then up above that are considered spa rooms as well.
Well, I think we're on the very top. The only downside is that you can't really look up.
Yeah, which is a downside and kind of an upside too, because it does feel very private. So
it does feel very private. There still are people next to you, but you can't look directly up. And if it rains, I mean, you're kind of covered. So pros and cons. Pros and cons,
yeah. Which I don't know. I think I'd rather have that because we're getting sun anyways on the deck when we're out there. So
yeah, we're gonna be sunbathing on our
patio,
so.
Yeah, exactly. We'll probably be out there in the morning when we're first trying to wake up and probably shake off our fortune teller drinks. So, but that being said, we love the room so far. We'll share more with you if we learned anything else. But for now, announcements.